Creating engaging social media content feels like a never-ending treadmill. You pour hours into one long video, then the pressure hits, you need dozens of short posts to promote it. It's exhausting. It's a massive time sink. But what if an AI could take your latest long video and, completely on its own, spin out 10 perfectly crafted, ready-to-post social media updates? Viral potential, minimal effort. That's exactly what we built, and I'm going to show you how. Every content creator knows this pain. You spend days, sometimes weeks, crafting a fantastic long-form video. You research. You film. You edit. Finally, it's live. You feel a rush. But then, almost immediately, the next challenge looms. How do you get eyes on it? How do you keep your audience engaged across all your platforms? You need Instagram Reels. You need Twitter Threads. You need LinkedIn updates. Each one demands unique text, fresh hooks, and platform-specific formatting. It's a second job after your main job. This constant demand for fresh content is a huge bottleneck. It's why so many brilliant creators burn out. They simply can't keep up with the sheer volume of content needed to stay relevant. But what if that bottleneck just disappeared? What if your long video wasn't just *1 piece of content, but a goldmine for dozens more, instantly accessible and ready to deploy? That's the promise of what we're building today. We're turning that content treadmill into a content launchpad. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. The core idea is called content repurposing. It means taking one piece of content, like your long video, and transforming it into many different formats for different platforms. Traditionally, this is a manual, tedious task. You watch your video, take notes, brainstorm hooks, write captions, find hashtags, then schedule everything. It can take hours, sometimes an entire day, just to squeeze a few posts out of one video. But what if an AI could automate that entire process? Imagine finishing your main video, uploading it, and then, without lifting another finger, a system automatically extracts the best moments, crafts compelling captions, and even suggests trending hashtags. This isn't just saving time, it's about amplifying your existing effort. It's about maximizing the reach of every single minute you pour into your main content. This AI system is like having a dedicated, tireless content team working for you 24/7, turning your single video into a full-blown content machine. So, how does this magic happen? At the heart of our system is an AI called a large language model, or LLM. Think of an LLM as an incredibly smart, super-fast intern who has read almost every book, article, and social media post ever published. It understands language, context, tone, and even what makes something viral. When you give it information, it doesn't just parrot it back. It can summarize, rewrite, extract key points, and even generate creative new text based on your instructions. For our system, this LLM will be the creative powerhouse. It will read your video's content and then, based on our precise instructions, brainstorm those 10 compelling social media posts. It's not just a chatbot, it's a sophisticated content strategist, capable of understanding your video's core message and rephrasing it for maximum impact across different platforms. This is the part one love, watching the AI take raw information and transform it into something truly engaging, something that resonates with an audience. Now, an LLM is powerful, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. We need a way to connect all the different tools and steps together. That's where an automation platform comes in. Today, I'm using N8N. Think of N8N as a digital Lego set for your workflows. Instead of writing complex code, you simply drag and drop blocks, called nodes, and connect them. Each block performs a specific task. One might transcribe your video, another sends that text to the LLM, and another schedules the output to your social media. No coding. No complex servers. Just visual connections. It's incredibly intuitive, even if you've never automated anything before. This platform allows us to build a custom workflow tailored exactly to our content repurposing needs. We're essentially building a digital assembly line where each worker is an automated block and the final product is a set of ready-to-post social media updates. This is where you get to be the architect of your own efficiency. Before our AI brain can work its magic, it needs to read your video. But videos aren't text. So, our first step is transcription. We need to convert all the spoken words in your video into a written transcript. There are many services that do this automatically, like Assembly AI or OpenAI's Whisper model. Our N8N workflow starts by taking your video's URL. It sends that URL to a transcription service. Within minutes, sometimes seconds, that service returns a complete, time-stamped text version of everything said in your video. This is the raw material, the foundation upon which our AI will build. It's like turning your video into a detailed script, instantly ready for the LLM to analyze. This step is critical because the quality of your social media posts directly depends on the accuracy and completeness of this initial transcript. A good transcript means the AI has rich content to draw from, ensuring your posts truly reflect your video's message. Now for the secret sauce, the part that truly unlocks the AI's potential, the prompt. A prompt is simply your instruction to the large language model. But it's not just summarize this video. For posts with real viral potential, you need to be incredibly specific. You need to tell the AI to act like a viral content strategist. You need to instruct it to identify key takeaways, craft engaging hooks, and suggest platform-specific elements. Here's an example of a powerful prompt we use. You are a viral social media strategist. Your goal is to repurpose a long video transcript into 10 distinct, highly engaging social media posts. For each post, identify a core idea, write a punchy caption, under 280 characters for X, under 2,200 for Instagram, and so on. Suggest 3 relevant trending hashtags, and include a clear call to action. Ensure variety in post types, some questions, some tips, some controversial statements. Output this in JSON format. This blueprint tells the AI exactly what to do, how to do it, and how to format the output. This is where you inject your creativity and strategic thinking into the automation. The AI is brilliant at generating text, but for automation, raw text isn't enough. We need structure. We need the AI to give us its output in a format that other computer programs can easily understand and process. That's why our prompt specifically asks for JSON output. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is like a neatly organized digital list. Instead of a jumbled paragraph of text, the AI returns every post as its own tidy block, the platform it targets, the caption, the hashtags, and the call to action, each in a clearly labeled field. Each post gets its own clear section, with distinct fields for the caption, hashtags, and call to action. This structured data is absolutely crucial for the next steps in our automation. It's the difference between a messy handwritten note and a perfectly formatted spreadsheet. Without JSON, our automation would struggle to identify which part is the caption and which part is a hashtag, making it impossible to automatically schedule these posts. This simple request transforms the AI's creative output into actionable, machine-readable data. We have our 10 perfectly crafted, structured social media posts. Now, how do they get from our N8N workflow onto your social media channels? We use 2 key components, webhooks and a social media scheduler. Think of a webhook like a digital doorbell. When our N8N workflow finishes generating a new post, it rings the doorbell of our chosen social media scheduler. Services like Buffer, Hootsuite, or even custom solutions can receive these webhooks. When the doorbell rings, it also sends along the JSON data for one of your posts. The scheduler then takes that data, the caption, the hashtags, the call to action, and automatically queues it up for publishing on your selected platform. This is where the hands-free part truly comes alive. You don't have to copy-paste anything. You don't have to manually upload. The system takes the structured data and pushes it directly into your publishing pipeline. It's a seamless transition from AI generation to scheduled delivery, ensuring your content goes live exactly when you want it, without any manual intervention. Let's put all the pieces together and see the full workflow in action. Here's what it looks like inside N8N. The process kicks off automatically whenever a new video is uploaded to your designated platform, or even just by dropping a URL into a trigger node. That video URL is immediately sent to our transcription service. Once the transcript is ready, it flows into our LLM node, where our carefully crafted prompt tells the AI to generate those 10 ready-to-post updates in JSON format. The AI works its magic, returning a perfectly structured list of posts. Then, a split-in batches node takes that list and processes each post individually. For each individual post, a webhook node sends the specific post's data to your chosen social media scheduler. This entire sequence, from video upload to 10 scheduled posts, runs without you needing to click a single button. It's a continuous, automated content factory working tirelessly in the background. This isn't just theory, this is a real, working system that can transform your content creation process. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a customizable powerhouse. You can tweak the prompt for different platforms. Maybe your LinkedIn audience prefers a more professional, data-driven tone, while your TikTok followers want short, punchy, meme-worthy hooks. You can instruct the AI to generate specific types of posts, questions to spark engagement, quick tips, inspiring quotes, or even short, controversial statements to drive discussion. You can also specify different lengths, different emoji usage, or even tell it to focus on specific keywords from your video. This prompt engineering is where your human creativity truly shines. You guide the AI. You refine its output. You iterate until the posts are perfectly aligned with your brand voice and your audience's preferences. The AI handles the heavy lifting of generation, but your strategic input ensures the content is always on point and authentically ***. This iterative process turns the AI into a true extension of your creative vision. And a quick reality check, no tool on earth can guarantee a post goes viral. What this system does is stack the odds. Every post comes out engineered for shareability, so far more of your swings connect. While our focus today is on generating 10 social media posts, this system is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you have your video transcribed and processed by an LLM, the possibilities for automation explode. Think bigger. This same core workflow can be adapted to summarize your video into a concise email newsletter. It can pull out key quotes and transform them into a blog post outline or even a full draft. It can generate bullet points for a presentation, create FAQs based on your content, or even draft responses to common questions your audience might have. The transcript becomes a rich data source, and the LLM becomes an infinitely versatile content creator. You're not just building a social media automation tool, you're building a content amplification engine. This system can truly revolutionize your entire content strategy, freeing you from repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on the high-level creative work that only you can do. It's about building an entire ecosystem where your primary content fuels a continuous stream of valuable derivatives. Imagine the time you'll save. Imagine the consistent presence you'll maintain across all your platforms. This AI system isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. It frees you from the repetitive, often tedious tasks of content repurposing, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing long-form content. You make the masterpiece, and the AI handles the promotion. This is the future of content creation, smart, automated, and incredibly efficient. It's about building systems that truly work for you, systems that generate value while you focus on your passion. If you're ready to stop drowning in content demands and start building powerful AI systems that give you back your time and amplify your reach, then hit that subscribe button. Join the AI Forge Lab. We're constantly exploring new ways to leverage AI to build incredible things. Don't just consume content, learn to create systems that create for you. Let's build the future, together.